I'm Germain here on Pass-a-Grille Beach, where every night, rain or shine, just as the sun sets, there is a very coveted tradition. By day, the sun shines bright over Pass-a-Grille Beach, making that Gulf water sparkle. And by evening, the attention shifts to watching the sun make its journey down to the horizon and this bell at Paradise Grille.
Every night at sunset, we ring the bell.
Debbie Salzberg is the current bell keeper.
365 days a year, no matter what.
Rain or shine.
So the bell ringing started in 1997 by a gentleman named Jim Myers and Cleo Robertson. And so they started a group called the Clapper Club. And so Cleo went and bought a bell at the antique store, had the museum purchase it, and then got the city to install it here.
The bellkeeper job has been handed down over the years. So it goes Jim, Debbie?
Jim, Debbie.
And the bells have been replaced.
This is the lanyard that we're gonna hang up onto the bell.
But the tradition has stayed the same.
This lanyard was handmade by Snake Baker. He was in the Vietnam War. We have his dog tags here. It's very special. We have chosen bell ringers that either schedule prior or we pick out of a crowd. So sometimes we just randomly pick out of a crowd.
Some, like Deanne and Ron, ring to celebrate.
It was so meaningful to this moment to say he's cancer-free and we get to ring this bell and celebrate, and we're so blessed. So blessed.
Others ring in memory.
Mom that passed away.
The night we were there,
Aren't we the Sunset Capital?
Joan Lowry rang the bell.
And today's a special day. What is today?
The 27th of March.
What else?
My birthday.
With her loved ones.
Hey, Jimmy.
Hi, Jody. Happy birthday, honey. Happy birthday, T. Love you.
By her side.
We have them write in a book, and the book, we date it, where they're from. People from all over the world come to ring the bell. Joan Lowry, and you're ringing the bell because it's your birthday.
And just as the sun sinks below the horizon,
We ring the bell 15 times. Ding dong is 1. Ding dong is 2. The first 5 are for the birds to find their way back to Shell Key, which is right over there, the island is sticking out. The second 5 are for the sailors and the captains to find their way home. And the third 5 are for the bell ringers' dreams and wishes.
a tradition with extra special meaning after how much this community went through last hurricane season.
But we rang the bell. We would all, and that was the one thing that held constant through the whole time. I would video it live, and we would just all together, people from all across the country, and we would ring the bell, and it was just that moment of like, everything's gonna be okay.
And a reminder, the sun will always rise and set, giving hope for another day.